Hey, I'm doing a strawberry.
Your turn.
I got my own bat. I'm doing a strawberry too. I bet I'll fail.
Fruit batting.
I like feeling. I want to get. Alright.
Here.
That don't sound very pretty.
Ooh, cherry. What'd you do?
Nothing.
Dude, I'm so gonna post this on YouTube.
What about Facebook?
Oh, stupid cherry. Okay, cherries are not easy to hit. Die, you stupid thing. I should go get the orange. I'm gonna go get the orange. Follow me. Unplug the phone.
Oh, hang on. I was thinking maybe we should put it on something. Play that song for me. Pretty babies in the backseat singing. Oh, whoops. Oh, wait, that's the other way.
Oh my god, it's got a crack in it.
Nuh-uh.
Yes. It's got a crack in it. Sorry. It has got a crack in it.
There we go. Just
Look,
don't
it's got a
touch it.
crack in
Oh my god. Don't touch the trash can. The phone will fall.
I'm gonna hit the orange first.
Actually, you know what? I got something better I can do. Don't hit me. Okay, go.
Dude, grab the half oranges and we'll hit them. Hit the other one. Strawberry.
I feel like I'm murdering someone. Shice!
Hit the orange.
I don't want to hurt him.
Damn it.
Can we just hurt this bottle because I feel so bad for the orange now. Shh. Hand me my orange, half orange, please. That didn't work out.
What?
Nothing. I said that didn't work out.
But you said it's having an orgasm.
Yeah, it's having an orgasm.
I cannot hit this stupid orange. Oops. I broke it. Frozen fruit.
That went into their yard.
Dude, that was awesome. Dude, how awesome of an idea was this?
Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Careful. Are you just throwing it?
If I hit this strawberry hard enough, it'll go flying and break.
It shattered!
Ooh. My hands smell like fruit.
Ew.
Ooh, a cherry, 2 cherries attached to a strawberry. Yeah,
That'll be fun.
this is gonna be fun.
Aw. You stupid white hoe!
Everyone should try.
Wait, you have to do this. You have to finish this one.
Hold on. Let me do the strawberry. Everyone should try frozen fruit batting. Stupid orange.
Clumsy.
Damn it. Give me the small bat.
No.
Give me the small bat. Thank you. baseball bat.
What is your parents gonna say about this?
I don't know.
When they wake up and find don't.
It's fine.
They're gonna wake up and find fruit in their yard, and I'm gonna laugh. That sucks.
Okay, I'm done fruit batting. The rest of them I'm just gonna throw.
I'm getting old.
I'm throwing cherries.
Boo, cherries. Dun, 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 dun.
Ouch, my feet are burning. Grace, shut the video off.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.